Going on right now in Winter Park, a free community event centered on hurricane preparedness, informing people of their options during recovery. Raise the Roof is an initiative focused on disaster readiness and presented by the Esther Wise Community Development Corporation. It is free to the community and open to all. Vendors like roofers, arborists, even legal help will be on staff or on hand. The event came after Hurricane Milton and all the struggles that people faced to get back to their homes.
We want to make sure that the community is prepared for hurricanes and that they know all of the businesses that are here to assist them as well.
We're helping our community, and that's what I love to do, is help our community and let them know that there is solutions, not only with HCI Hair Solutions, but everybody here supporting each other.
This is an opportunity for us to have a dialogue on what the community needs and being able to answer all of their questions from all of the misinformation that they're receiving.
The nonprofit hosting it says they plan to hold another event in the future.